Sometimes life throws us unexpected challenges. It's like walking through a dark forest, unsure of what lies ahead. But amidst the uncertainty, there is always a glimmer of hope, a guiding light that leads us towards a brighter future. And that light, my friends, is knowledge. I remember a time when I felt lost in the vast world of technology. It seemed like an impenetrable fortress, with its complex codes and intricate systems. But then, I discovered the AWS security course with eGain Technologies, and everything changed. With each lesson, I delved deeper into the realm of cybersecurity, learning how to protect valuable data from malicious attacks. It was like unlocking a hidden treasure chest of knowledge, filled with powerful tools and strategies to safeguard against the ever-evolving threats of the digital world. But it wasn't just about learning the technicalities. It was about understanding the importance of security, not just for ourselves, but for the countless individuals and businesses relying on us to keep their information safe. It was about realizing that with great power comes great responsibility. Through the course, I discovered the power of AWS, Amazon Web Services, and how it could revolutionize the way we approach security. It was like stepping into a new dimension, where cloud computing became the backbone of protection. I learned to navigate through the intricacies of AWS, harnessing its capabilities to fortify the digital fortresses of organizations worldwide. But it wasn't just about the technology, it was about the mindset, the determination to stay one step ahead of the hackers, to anticipate their every move. It was about embracing the challenge, knowing that with every obstacle, there was an opportunity to grow, to become stronger, and to inspire others to do the same. So, my friends, as we journey through this ever-changing landscape of technology, let us remember the power of knowledge. Let us embrace the AWS security course with eGain Technologies. For it is not just a course, but a beacon of inspiration, guiding us towards a future where security is not just a necessity, but a way of life. Let us rise above the challenges, armed with the tools and wisdom to protect, inspire, and make a difference in this digital world we call home.